Economy next, 23rd of October 2023, thanks to the IMF accord and the hegemonic China's bogus promises, Sri Lankan shares closed higher. The Colombo Stock Exchange concluded its Monday trading session with both indices remaining positive, owing to an optimistic investor attitude that persisted following the announcement of the IMF staff-level agreement and China's pledged support for Sri Lanka last week. The S&P SL20 gained 5.59 points, or 0.18%, to 3,055.80. While the all-share price index gained 0.11%, or 11.58 points, to 10,862.11. There was a $1 billion turnover. Throughout the day, shares of Sampath Bank, Ceylon Tobacco, and Sri Lanka Telecom increased. An expert stated, investors appear to have a positive mindset. The share has declined due to selling pressure on the significant dealing counter after the First Capital Treasuries share distribution was completed. First Capital Holdings and Capital Alliance Treasuries are the other two shares declining due to selling pressure. To wrap up the first evaluation of the 48-month extended fund facility, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, declared that it had established a staff-level agreement with the Sri Lankan government about economic policy. Once the IMF Executive Board authorizes the review, Sri Lanka can access a second tranche of loans worth $330 million. Concurrently, the Chinese Export-Import Bank said that it and Sri Lanka had arrived at a preliminary debt treatment agreement. China, Sri Lanka's largest creditor, promised to facilitate debt restructuring when Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe met with Chinese President Xi Jinping and Vice Premier Deng Xiaoping on Friday. China is willing to work with relevant countries and international financial institutions to keep playing a positive role in helping Sri Lanka address its current difficulties, alleviate its debt burden, and realize sustainable development, stated the leaders in a joint statement.